Standard 9, we are starting with the new lesson, polynomials. What is polynomial? What is meant by degree of polynomial? What is the definition of polynomial? What is standard form of polynomial? That we have to learn in first 5 minutes. And then we have to solve the exercise. an x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 and so on. a1 x raised to 1 means x plus last constant term a0. Constant term a0. a0 is constant, a1x, a2x square, a3x cube, like that an x raised to n, where n is all these indices are natural number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. These indices up to n are natural numbers. They should not be raised to 3 by 2 etc. a0, a1, a2, an are constants. Constants means may be positive fractions, negative fraction, integer, anything are constants. Constant means what? Positive, negative, fraction, everything. For this is the form of the polynomial. an x raised to n a raised to 0 is a polynomial. It is the definition of polynomial. Maximum degree n is called, maximum power n is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Whenever we are writing in this order, it is called standard form of polynomial. an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1, like this up to a0 is standard form of polynomial. Now some of you may not have understood it, so I will explain with examples so that you can understand it. For example, 3 by 2x square minus 5 by 3x cube plus 7x raised to 4 plus 8. See the indices. It is a constant term. X term have index 4, 3, 2, which are natural numbers. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. This may be fraction a1, a0, etc. It is a polynomial. Its a standard form is, right, highest to lowest generally, 7x raised to 4 maximum degree first minus 5 by 3x cube plus 3 by 2x square plus 8, and the degree of the polynomial is maximum index of x, that is 4. Now you must have understood it, that standard form means nothing but to write in the descending order of x, descending order of variable, power should be in the descending order. Behind multiple may be positive, negative fraction, anything, and degree means maximum index. Now we have to learn what is meant by coefficient form of polynomial in 2 minutes. Pay attention. if 4x cube plus 7x raised to 5 minus 8x plus 2 is a polynomial, then it can be written as look how to write for writing in coefficient form. Look how to write in coefficient form. First, highest degree. In standard form directly we are writing plus 4x cube, but here x raised to 4 term is not there, therefore 0x raised to 4 plus 4x cube plus x square term is not there, therefore 0x square, then x term, and then number term, constant term. It is also index form. This is also index form. This is also index form. Now coefficient form. Therefore, its coefficient form is to get coefficient form, we have to write coefficient of variable with commas 7, 0, 4, 0, -8, 2. If there is index 5, degree 5, then there are 6 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coefficient are 1 more than the degree. Coefficients are 1 more than the degree. If degree is 5, there must be 6 coefficient. Otherwise, we would have done somewhere mistake. 0 should be introduced as coefficient if term is absent. This is called coefficient form. Now I will give you second example. (2y minus 3y cube plus 7y square). Then it should be written as minus 3y cube plus 7y square plus 2y, same sign. But if you write this much, it is wrong, because to write coefficient form, last term must be constant term. Last term must be constant term. So here we have to write plus, as constant term is not there, 0. And coefficient form is, then only coefficient form will be correct. Otherwise it will be wrong. Minus 3, 7, 2, 0. As degree is 3, index is 3, 4 term must be there. This is called coefficient form. Neatly observe and write. To get degree 3, there must be 4 coefficient. If constant term is absent, we have to write plus 0 as at last and then convert it into coefficient form. Now we are starting with exercise 3.1. State whether given expressions are polynomial. Also write justification, why it is polynomial or why it is not a polynomial. We have to write reason behind it. All of us now understood that polynomials means all the indices of the variable are positive. All the indices and all the variables are in the numerator, not in the denominator. From denominator, if we shift it into numerator, it will come negative, then it will not be a polynomial. Now one by one we will check all the 5 answers. First is given y plus 1 by y. Y plus 1 by y can be written as y plus y is taken up will be y raised to minus 1. All of us know 1 upon a raised to m is a raised to minus m. 1 upon y raised to 1 is y raised to minus 1. Minus 1 adds index minus 1 is negative, index of variable minus 1 is negative, index of variable. Therefore, the given expression is not polynomial. It should be only positive, non-negative. Given expression is not polynomial. Not polynomial is answer, because index is negative is the reason. Now the second, 2 minus 5 root x, 2 minus 5 root x, 2 minus 5 root x can be written as 2 minus 5x raised to half. It is not the integer, it is fraction. It was told to you all the indices must be integer. Index of variable half is fraction, not integer, not positive integer. Therefore, the given expression is not polynomial. Given expression is not polynomial. The third, x square plus 7x plus 9. In this we can find it is in the form a2x raised x square, a1x plus a0. All indices are positive. Then we have to write it is in the standard form of polynomial. Indices of variables are non-negative integers, either positive or 0. Constant term has x raised to 0. Non-negative integers. Indices of variables are non-negative integer. Therefore, the given expression is a polynomial. Now look at the board. Fourth expression is 2m raised to minus 2. It is given in the numerator, but index is negative. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. As index of variable, which is in numerator, but its variable is in numerator, but its index is negative. Index of variable, here m is the variable, is negative. Therefore, the expression is not polynomial. And the last 10 is given. Remember, all constant numbers are polynomials. They are called constant polynomial. They have degree 0. They have degree 0. Explanation I will give. 10 can be written as 10 into 1. 1 can be written as with variable x raised to 0. Therefore, 10 is a polynomial. Degree 0 is allowed. Negative is not allowed. It is integer. Index of variable is non-negative integer. 0 is not negative, non-negative integer. Therefore 10 is a polynomial. Such polynomial is called constant polynomial, and it has degree 0 whenever degree will be asked. Remember it. Write the coefficient of m cube. Coefficient of m cube means what is behind m cube as a multiple in each of the following given polynomial. First is given only m cube. Many students write there is nothing means 0 etc. But m cube means 1 m cube, and therefore given polynomial m cube therefore coefficient of m cube is 1. Therefore coefficient of m cube in that is 1. Now the second question, minus 3 by 2 plus m minus root 3 m cube. Again in the answer we have to write given polynomial. Minus 3 by 2 plus m minus root 3 m cube. It is not the standard form, just we wrote it given form. We want only coefficient of m cube. What is the coefficient of m cube? M cube behind that negative root 3 along with sign we must write. Therefore coefficient of m cube equal to minus root 3. Coefficient can be rational, irrational, any number. It is a constant number called, means it is the fixed number. Maybe fraction, maybe integer, maybe rational, maybe irrational, maybe positive, maybe negative. The third polynomial is given minus 2 by 3 m cube minus 5 m square plus 7m minus 1. Again write given polynomial in the answer. Is whatever I am writing in the answer, that much should be written in any examination. Given polynomial minus 2 by 3 m cube minus 5 m square plus 7m minus 1. Therefore in this coefficient of m cube is, only we want coefficient of m cube is how much? Minus 2 by 3. Is write down or is equal to sign write down, but minus 2 by 3, minus is very important. Along with sign we must write that. Coefficient may be positive, may be negative, may be positive. Write the polynomial in x, means use variable x and using the given information. Monomial with degree 7. Degree 7 means x raised to 7 term must come, and monomial means only one term should come. Monomial means one term, binomial means 2 terms, trinomial means 3 terms. So monomial means only one term of x raised to 7. So what is the polynomial? X raised to 7. Along with that we can write any multiple behind it, coefficient. 3x raised to 7, 4x raised to 7, 11x raised to 7, minus 5x raised to 7, 2x raised to 7. All are possible answer, but only one term. Answer is 2x raised to 7 I wrote. Some of you may write 5 by 3x raised to 7. Some of you may write minus 5x raised to 7. Some of you may write 4x raised to 7. X raised to 7, only one term. Monomial means only one term, no plus minus. and degree 7 means x raised to 7 term must come. Now second information, binomial with degree 35, binomial with degree 35 means there must be two terms. One of that maximum degree 35 means x raised to 35 must come. So we may write 4x raised to 35 plus or minus any number having degree less than 35, having index less than 35. 7x raised to 10, 4x raised to 10, plus 5x raised to 10, minus 7x raised to 10, minus 11x raised to 14, any. But only two terms. Why only two terms? Because it is binomial. Binomial means having two terms. After this, third question we will write what is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Third, trinomial with degree 8. Now trinomial means 3 term, maximum degree 8. So I am writing the answer. 12x raised to 8 minus 5x raised to 4 plus 7. Trinomial. Trinomial means 3 term, 2 times plus minus must come, first, second, third term, and maximum index should be 8 because degree is 8. All will not have same answer, but answer should be similar. There must be x raised to 8 term, there must be 3 terms. Coefficient may be anything. पर थंबा monomial, polynomial with only one term. Binomial, polynomial with 2 terms. Trinomial, polynomial with 3 terms. Remember, these are the definitions. Note this definition, neatly write it. After now, question number 4. Write the degree of the following polynomials. 8 sub questions are there. One by one we will solve. First, root 5. Some of you may think that it is not a polynomial, but 5 is not variable. Root 5 means root 5x raised to 0. It is a constant, so it has degree 0. Explanation: root 5 means root 5 into 1 equal to root 5 x raised to 0 with variable, so it will come 0. Therefore root 5 has a degree 0. Second, x raised to 0 clearly given. X raised to 0 has degree 0. Only if it is x, then it has degree 1. X raised to 0 is given, so it has degree 0. Third, x square. Monomials are given, single term first. X square has a degree 2. Maximum index, that is 2. Fourth, root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7. See, what is the maximum index of variable m here? 10. Root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7 has degree 10. Degree means maximum index of the variable. Fifth, 2p minus root 7. 2p minus root 7. 2p minus root 7 means 2p raised to 1 it is. P means p raised to 1. That need not be written, for your understanding I wrote it. Has a degree 1. Has degree 1. So neatly observed first 5 questions. Now pay attention, 4th, 5th I am about to write the 6th and 7th answer. Now we have to write 7th and the 8th answer. 7th, xyz plus xy minus z. Now here index of x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, but this together is only one term. So when there is a product of the variables, we have to add the indices, and total of that we have to consider as one index. So what is the index of this term? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. This term 1 plus 1, 2. So this has index 2, this has index 3, index 2, index 1. So maximum index is 3, so degree is 3. So we have to write degree of the polynomial is, instead of writing direct 3, I am writing 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3, so that you can understand. X raised to 1, y raised to 1, z raised to 1. This 1, 1, 1 is added. X, y, z means x raised to 1, y raised to 1, z raised to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. The 8th, m cube n raised to 7 minus 3 m raised to 5n plus mn plus mn. Now here indices is 3 plus 7, 10, here 5 plus 1, 6, here 1 plus 1, 2, 10, 6, 2. So maximum index is 10. So degree of the polynomial is 3 plus 7 equal to 10. As this is only one term, plus minus comes means term changes. This is one term where there is a product of the two variable. We have to add the indices, that is the degree. Degree of the polynomial equal to 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Neatly write it.